I've done enough.
I don't want to get kicked and fucking elbowed in the head, punched. No. If I was going to do anything, it was going to be boxing.
Yeah?
Yeah. But fuck, because the Klitschko was still the champ, and Trevor was like, you could quote him on this. He was like, we could talk a bunch of shit and fucking get the word out there, get you a couple amateur fights, get you winning a couple fights, and he's like, in 2 years we'll be fighting for $100 million. That's what he told me.
Trevor's a wild dude, but he's also a genius.
Oh, it's so much. He took my pass rush game to another level. Like,
yeah,
yeah,
really?
because I was good at figuring out angles from wrestling on people, but he took it to another level of like levels, like taking my levels down. Like I could bring my level up and get it back down and come out of there with power. So I was just like creating angles on guys and doing shit they'd never seen.
And is that from footwork drills? Like...
Yeah, doing footwork. It was all footwork. Everything is footwork. It starts with your feet first, and your hands will follow. And he would have me doing like switch jabs and shit like that, and I would use that shit on the field. I would switch my feet last second, cross up, and then cross body, and then be able to lower my level and be able to accelerate out of that. And it just like took my fucking pass rush to another level.
That makes sense. You know, if you learn new skills like that, like you know Vasily Lomachenko.
Yes.